Thutha wa mwaho wa Jubilee kurugamia kambeni cia muthenya wa ira gucakaya gikuo kia minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Joseph Nkaiseri riu ni macokete bara na ceceni yao ya mbere ni Baringo. Ari muthenya wa kiumia mambiriirie guthie kanitha-ini na thutha ucio icera ria gucemania na muingi riambiriria. Kambeni-ini ciao moigite matigwitikiria ang'etheri yao kuhuthira igooti kuhotomia mihango ya IEBC niguo ithurano iria ibangitwo gwikwo mweri-ini twerekeire irugame.
Mimi nataka niwaambie wenye koti, tumewaheshimu, lakini msifikirie heshima ni uoga. Na sisi hatutakubali wenzetu watumie makoti na kuintimidate IEBC wakifikiria ya kwamba watashinda kupitia mlango ya nyuma.
We will not accept the kind of games we are seeing being played by the people who are not ready for elections on the 8th of August.
Ni mamenereirie itua ria igoti ria kuuga mambiririe weru uheani wa tenda cia gucabithia maratathi ma guthura president, makiuga itua riu kurekererio riri tukuhiriirie githurano ni kuonania mwaho wa mung'ethaniro urenda gitigekwo.
When the Chief Justice says that IEBC should not print ballot papers because there are cases in court, what does it mean to a layman like me and million others? Does the Chief Justice want to tell us he has already determined all these cases that are in court and therefore IEBC should not print ballot papers?
Moigete ati a Kenya ni mehaririirie na moe githurano ni gia tariki 8 mweri-ini wa kanana na gitingirugamio ni tondu wa kiama kia mung'ethaniro gukorwo gitihariirie miario iria nyititwo mbaru ni atongoria ngi gicigo-ini kiu.
And I am saying Kenyans are ready for that date. You change and mess with that date, we will not accept you denying the people of Kenya their constitutional rights to elect their leaders.
President nige nieranire kugacirithia ugitiri bururi-ini ona thengia wa minister wa ugitiri wa thiini gukua, akiuga no magutwarithia na mbere wira mwega uria arakoretwo akiruta ruhonge-ini ruu.
Hata tukiwa wakati wa kuomboleza ndugu yetu Jemedari Nkaiseri, mimi nataka niwahakikishie wenzetu, serikali yenu itahakikisha ya kwamba tutaendelea kupatia Wakenya usalama wa kutosha.
Othe marahinyiriria bata wa kuiga thayo mahinda-ini maya ma githurano. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.